In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type an X bar in Google Docs. Whether you're using it for statistical data or any mathematical equation, knowing how to easily add this symbol can be incredibly handy. Let's dive right into it. To get started, open your Google Doc. Once you're in your document, the first step is to type the letter X. Now, our goal is to add an overline to this X to create an X bar. To do this, you'll need to navigate to the menu at the top of your screen. Click on Insert, and from the drop-down menu, you'll select Symbols. When you click on Symbols, a new panel will appear. Here you'll see an option called Special Characters. Go ahead and click on that. In the Special Characters panel, you'll find a search bar at the top. This search bar is incredibly useful because it allows you to find exactly what you're looking for without having to sift through a huge list of characters. Type the word over into this search bar. As soon as you do that, a list of symbols will appear, and you'll notice the very first symbol at the top is an X with an overline. Click on this symbol, and just like that, you'll see the overline added to your X in your document, effectively creating an X bar. There's also another method you might find helpful, especially if you frequently use mathematical symbols. Again, you'll start by clicking on Insert at the top of your screen. Click on Symbols just like before, but this time, instead of selecting Special Characters, you'll click on Equation. This opens up a new set of tools specifically for mathematical equations, which is perfect if you're working in a more math-focused document. In the equation toolbar that appears, you'll see several drop-down menus. You want to focus on the fourth drop-down. This is the one related to math operations. When you click on this drop-down, you'll see a variety of symbols designed specifically for mathematical operations. Among these options, you'll find an icon that looks like an X with an overline. Click on it to select it. Now you just need to type the letter X again, and your X bar is ready in the document. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily insert an X bar into your Google Doc, whether you choose the path through Special Characters or the equation tool. Both methods are straightforward, and choosing between them depends on your preference and how comfortable you are navigating Google Docs' array of tools. Hopefully, this tutorial makes your next document a little bit easier to create. Happy typing!